everyone, I am Muadz and I am 9 years old. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make this wooden craft. You mostly found it at London, number 37. Today I'm gonna build the man who's playing the tennis. Let's spread from head to toe. Here's the head, the oval thingy. Put it on the top of this. You see, it has a nice head. Then you poke it through this curved rectangle thingy and then poke it through the inner. And then you have the shoulders. Take this arm holding the racket and put it on the left. And then the hand holding nothing on the right. And then put the rectangular thingy on the bottom of this wooden craft. See? Make the two more outlets not attached, and this one goes to here. And now for the feet. Most beginners doesn't know which one is left and which one is right, so this might be a little time. Aha! So this one that has a nice, which has the feet on it, goes here, and the other one, make it properly, okay? Not like this, or it will be more difficult to put it like this. And then put it right here. Then you have a nice man playing tennis. And then the feet. See, there is holes right here, right? 1, 2 holes, and it will be attached to both of these two legs. The front, put it of both two together. And then first take the front leg and the back leg into the openings and then push them back. And then they will be attached. And see? You have a nice wooden craft man playing tennis. You don't see that every day, right? Thank you for watching this craft and me. Thank you.